Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to teach my 10-year-old daughter how to make cheese quesadillas on the stove. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Think you can do a good job?
Yeah.
Alright, good. Let's do it. Alright, first thing I need you to do is take that pan and put it on that burner. Careful, it's a little hot already because I had turned it on. Alright. So here I would turn it halfway. Push down and turn. Push down. Oop, okay, you almost broke it. That's good. A little bit. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Okay, good. So you don't want to cook this on too hot, okay? So when this heats up a little bit, we're going to go ahead and I'll walk you through the process while it's getting ready. We're going to take this and we're going to put butter just like that. But give it a minute for it to heat up. Are you looking forward to eating these?
Yeah.
All right. I need to invest in one of those thermometers that I can shoot at the pan or at the grill to see what the temperature is. So next time, these are going to be cheese quesadillas. However, next time we will, use maybe some steak or some chicken, kind of make them a little bit more beefy, a little more hearty. Okay, so take that like that. Try not to touch the pan because it's hot, and try to get. Keep going. Yep. Actually, what I would do is use the circ like that. And then kind of go in a little bit and try to get the whole thing. Okay, good. Now, that's good. Now the tortillas that are behind you, go ahead and grab those. Go ahead and open that. I'll help you. I'll hold one side, you hold the other side. Grab that out. One. Yeah, one at a time. Try not to rip it. Alright, so put it right in. Yep, either way. Good. Perfect. Go ahead and open up the cheese. Now, go ahead and grab some. You roll your sleeves up a little bit. I'm using a Mexican 4-cheese blend. Put it in the middle, and I would try to put it. Go ahead and drop it. Just don't put it too close to the edge so it leaks out. But I would go ahead. You could put a lot more than that. Now grab a good handful. Yeah. Go ahead. You could actually put it first and then spread it. So grab a good handful. Keep going. Another one. Okay. And now what I would do is just spread it around a little bit and just leave about an inch around as best you can. I think that's good. So we'll let that do its thing. In the meantime, let me see if I can show you how to use these tongs. Go ahead and grab them. We're going to use that to flip it. How does it look so far?
Good.
Looks good? Can't wait to eat it? All right, good.
Yes, I'm very excited.
See how easy it is? All right, Lou, I think it's time to flip it. So what I want you to do is take that and just kind of fold it like that. Actually, go. If you need help, let me know. And you want to just touch the other side from 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Keep going, keep going. Perfect. Awesome. That looks good. We're going to go ahead and put that there. Kind of seal it up a little bit. And what's nice is no cheese is leaking out and not making a mess of the pan. So what we'll do is we'll give it a little bit on one side and we'll go ahead and flip it on the other side. Maybe for the flipping we'll use a spatula. I may have to help you with that. Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah. All right. And there you have it. What do you think? Simple, right? Can't wait to eat it?
Yeah.
All right, good. So now that I walked my 10-year-old through it, my 7-year-old wants to get into the mix. So you ready? Look at me. Ready to make a quesadilla?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. And there you have it, guys. 2 quesadillas for lunch. Walk the kids through it. Hopefully they'll be able to make it on their own next time. I'll see you guys in the next video.